Hello, my name is Mike with MikesCarpentryPlus. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make my mom's potatoes. They're just awesome. They're potatoes. They got some onion slices in between, salt and pepper and butter, and that's how simple it is. I've never seen it in restaurants before. I asked her the other day, did you come up with this recipe on your own, or did somebody hand it down, or what? And she's like, well, I think I just came up with it on my own. She fed us 7 kids very well and taught us to enjoy good food. And I want to do this video to pass this recipe along to friends and family and anyone else out there that wants to enjoy an inexpensive, excellent dish that goes with anything. I'm a meat eater, so I've got a ribeye thawing out. When this potato stuff is done, then I'll be pulling my steak off the grill. But as a bonus, I'm also going to do carrots in a similar way. I came up with that one, I think. Then again, my mom could have done it too. I just don't remember. But anyway, I've got a timer set for 7 minutes. It doesn't take very long to do. Most of the time is just peeling the carrots and potato. Anyway, let's get at it. What you need is, I got an onion, a potato, 2 carrots. You need a cookie sheet, and you don't want a cookie sheet that's double layered. You want a single layer cookie sheet. That way, the potatoes on the bottom get crispy and a little chewy. So anyway, you need tin foil, a cutting board, a peeler, a knife, salt and pepper, little vegetable spray, and some butter. So here we go. I'm gonna set the timer and see if I can whip this up in 7 minutes. Bear with me. This is just peeling potatoes and potato and 2 carrots. Timer's on. Just peel your potato right in the trash can. Just get all the bad spots out. And it seems like anymore, it's hard to get potatoes that don't have problems with them. So that's why I'm peeling them. You really don't need to peel them, but I like to peel them, well, number 1, because my mom did, and number 2, you can find any bad spots and take them out. Get the carrots peeled here. Carrots are good for you too. And if you're making them for 4 people, just expand the recipe, get some more potatoes and onions. Okay, let's rinse the potato off. Get a big piece of, long piece of tin foil. Kind of make a little canoe out of it. Little vegetable spray on the bottom. Cut your potatoes in like 1-inch wide pieces. Lay it in there. Cut the ends off of your onion. cut my onion in half. It's a little easier to peel that way. If you want to do them whole pieces, my mom might have used the whole onion and sliced it, made them round pieces. I don't really remember, but I do remember they were bigger pieces. So just lay those down, cut them, slice them up, and all we have to do is just take the onions and put them in between the potatoes, so it's they're alternating. You can put the other pieces of onion on the side there. A little salt, a little pepper, and you can put different spices on if you want. You can use chili flake. I've done that before. A little bit of jalapeno. I've done that. You can just, you know, a little bit of garlic powder, whatever you like. So then you take some butter, about 3 or 4 1/4-inch pieces. Just lay them on top there. So this is what it looks like. Real simple. They're done. All you got to do, close up the ends of your tin foil. I like to lay them on the flat section of the cookie sheet so that the butter, you kind of want to press down on the ends of that tin foil so that the butter melts and gets touches all of those potatoes in there. Get your carrots, cut the ends off. Throw those away. We can rinse the carrots off. Cut these in about 1 or so pieces. When you get to a bigger piece of carrot, you can cut it in half, and then continue on with your inch pieces. Get another piece of tin foil, a little bit smaller on this one. Do the same thing. Make a little canoe out of it. A little bit of cooking oil spray there. Put the carrots down. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Couple pieces of butter, 1/4-inch wide. Close up the ends. See how I'm doing that? Press the ends down. That's it. They're ready to go in the oven. Put it in the center of your oven. Turn your oven on 425. And that's it. All you have to do is wait 1 hour and 15 minutes. You don't have to check them or anything. Just shut the oven off about 1 hour and 10 minutes, 1 hour and 15 minutes, and then take them out. And if your oven's a little cooler or a little hotter, you can adjust the temperature a little bit to get the what you're shooting for is the bottom of the potatoes to be crunchy and a little chewy, and the tops of them will be soft, and they're awesome. Anyway, that's it. I'm Mike with MikesCarpentryPlus, and I've got several other videos I'll be showing, doing remodeling and everything else. So just remember MikesCarpentryPlus. There's my timer. So I'm going to set my timer for 75 minutes, and that's all there is to making Norma's potatoes. Thanks, Mom. Appreciate all the good dinners and the recipes, and help me to appreciate good food. And hi everybody, hi friends and family, and I hope you enjoy this recipe. And as always, if you have a cat or dog, please get them spayed and or neutered and love them. And if you're looking to get one, go to your local animal shelter and rescue one. They'd really appreciate it. So anyway, I'll have part 2 of this video that'll show you the finished product so you can see what it looks like. And I'm looking forward to it because they're awesome. And anyway, you have a nice day, and I'll see you in part 2.